Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make chicken wild rice soup. Just because it's starting to get super cold around here in North Dakota, so soup this time of the year is perfect. So to get started, you are going to be needing 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 cup of chopped carrots, half a cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of chopped onion, and I have about half a cup of chopped mushrooms. And I have some fresh thyme that I'll be using. You can definitely use dry thyme if you want. And I have 3/4 cup of wild rice. This is the rice that I used. I used the brown wild rice. Just cook it according to the package instructions. And I have 1/3 cup of flour. And I have 3 cups of chicken breast that I basically just sprinkle some salt and pepper and some garlic powder and some onion powder, and I baked it under my oven. And you are going to be needing about 1.5 cup of half and half and 3.5 cups of chicken stock. You want to make sure you buy good quality chicken stock. And I'll be using about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and of course some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. To get started, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high, and I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of my olive oil, and I'm going to put in my carrots, my garlic. If you guys are soup lovers, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what type of soup you guys like. My favorites are this wild rice soup, and I also like this soup called Nefla soup. Okay, so now I'm going to saute the vegetables until they are nice and tender. This will take a couple minutes. Okay, and then when we come back, we're going to add the mushrooms and our thyme. Now you want to go ahead and add the mushrooms. The carrots and stuff cook for like 5 to 7 minutes about. And now I'm going to let this cook a little until my mushrooms are nice and soft. This smells amazing already. Love it. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Okay. So again, I'm going to let this cook until the mushrooms are nice and soft. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my flour. I like to whisk my flour in. Okay, this is gonna make our soup nice and thick, and I'm going to allow this to cook just for 2 to 3 minutes. And now you want to take half a cup of the chicken stock. Like I said, I love whisking this in. Okay, I'm going to put in just a little bit more. I sometimes use, at times I use dry cherry, but a lot of times when I make this, I do use the chicken stock, so it's optional. If you want to use dry cherry, you can definitely use that. And allow this to cook for a few minutes before we add the rest of our chicken stock. Now go ahead and put the rest of the chicken stock. Okay. And I'll still use my whisk to whisk it. Okay, because I don't want any lumps in there at all. And now I'm going to take my half and half and put 1.5 cups. This is half a cup. Okay, of that half and half, which is gonna make it nice and creamy for us. And I'll add my chicken. And I'll add my rice. And now I'm going to allow it to boil for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to reduce it to low, my temperature to low, and allow it to simmer for a good 15 to 20 minutes. So once your soup starts to boil, you want to turn it down to low and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm going to sprinkle some salt in there because I can see that I need some salt. You want to always taste your food. And I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper, not too much. Okay, stir that in. So bring it to a boil and then simmer for 15 minutes. All right guys, my soup is all done, and as you can see, it is nice and thick. If you guys are a soup lover, seriously give this soup a try. This is my ultimate favorite. It have a little bit of everything, and I think that wild rice just does it for me. But if you don't want to bake your chicken, you can always buy some rotisserie chicken or something and use some of that leftover. So as long as your chicken is baked, you should be able to use your chicken to make this. I'm going to taste it. The vegetables are so tender. It tastes so good. This is my go-to every time during the fall season. Alright guys, that will be the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I do hope you really try this soup recipe this fall. And I love you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.